Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. Today, we're talking about attracting beneficial insects. These little helpers are crucial for a healthy garden. We'll cover everything you need to know to turn your garden into a haven for bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects. Beneficial insects are the unsung heroes of our gardens. These little creatures are essential for pollination. Pollination helps our plants produce fruits and vegetables. Some beneficial insects are also natural pest control. They eat the bugs that can damage our plants. By attracting these helpful insects, we create a more balanced and thriving garden. Think of it as welcoming a team of tiny helpers. They'll pollinate your flowers and keep unwanted pests in check. It's a natural and effective way to ensure your garden flourishes. Pollinators like bees and butterflies are essential for a healthy garden. We can attract them with their favorite flowers. Plant a variety of colorful, nectar-rich blooms. Some great choices are sunflowers, lavender, and coneflowers. These beauties will attract bees and butterflies, adding a vibrant touch to your garden. Don't forget to choose plants that bloom at different times. This ensures a continuous food source for your pollinators throughout the growing season. From spring to fall, your garden will be buzzing with activity. Some insects are natural predators to garden pests. Ladybugs, for instance, are voracious aphid eaters. Planting specific plants can attract these beneficial predators to your garden. Dill, fennel, and yarrow are known to attract ladybugs, lacewings, and other beneficial insects. By providing a habitat for these beneficial insects, you encourage a natural balance in your garden. This reduces the need for pesticides and creates a healthier environment for all your plants. Creating an insect haven through thoughtful garden design can make a huge difference. By carefully selecting and arranging plants, you can attract a wide range of beneficial insects that will help your garden thrive. These insects not only add beauty and movement to your garden, but also play crucial roles in pollination and pest control. Planting in clumps rather than rows makes it easier for insects to find their favorite plants. This method mimics natural plant groupings, creating a more inviting environment for insects. Clumped plantings can also provide better shelter and microclimates, which are essential for the survival of many insect species. Creating a diverse ecosystem by including a variety of plant heights and textures provides more hiding spots and food sources for different insect species. Tall plants can offer shade and protection, while shorter plants can provide nectar and pollen. Mixing different textures, such as soft leaves and spiky stems, can cater to the needs of various insects, making your garden a bustling hub of activity. Don't forget to leave some areas of your garden a bit wild. These unkempt sections can serve as refuges for insects, offering them a safe haven away from predators and harsh weather conditions. Wild areas can also support a greater diversity of plant and insect life, contributing to the overall health of your garden ecosystem. A patch of wildflowers or native grasses can provide valuable habitat and overwintering sites for beneficial insects. These plants are often well adapted to local conditions and can thrive with minimal care, making them an excellent choice for a low-maintenance garden. Wildflowers and native grasses can also attract a variety of pollinators, ensuring that your garden remains vibrant and productive throughout the growing season. Remember, a little bit of wildness goes a long way in attracting beneficial insects. By incorporating both wild and cultivated plants, you can create a balanced and sustainable garden that supports a diverse range of insect life. This approach not only enhances the beauty and resilience of your garden, but also contributes to the broader ecological health of your local environment. Keeping things natural with organic gardening practices is essential for a healthy insect population. Avoid using pesticides and herbicides, as these can harm both beneficial and harmful insects. Instead, opt for natural pest control methods like companion planting and introducing beneficial insects. Healthy soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. Compost and mulch can improve soil health, providing nutrients for plants and beneficial insects. By gardening organically, you create a sustainable ecosystem that supports a thriving insect population. Water. Water everywhere. Just like us, insects need water to survive. Provide a water source in your garden, such as a shallow dish filled with pebbles and water. This allows insects to drink without the risk of drowning. You can also create a bee bath by filling a shallow dish with marbles and water. Bees will land on the marbles to drink. It's a simple yet effective way to provide water for these important pollinators. Shelter from the storm offering insect habitats. Insects, like all creatures, need a safe place to weather the elements. By providing these shelters, we can create a haven for them right in our own backyards. Providing shelter is crucial for attracting and keeping beneficial insects in your garden. These insects play a vital role in pollination and pest control, making them indispensable allies for any gardener. You can easily create shelters by leaving piles of leaves or branches in a corner of your garden. These natural materials offer a cozy refuge for insects, allowing them to thrive and contribute to the health of your garden. Insect hotels are also fantastic options. These structures can be purchased or homemade, and they provide a variety of compartments that cater to different types of insects. These pre-made structures offer various nooks and crannies where insects can nest and find refuge. Each compartment can attract different species, from solitary bees to ladybugs, enhancing the biodiversity of your garden. These shelters provide protection from predators and the elements, encouraging insects to stay in your garden year-round. By offering a safe haven, you ensure that these beneficial insects can continue their important work throughout the seasons. They add a decorative touch and benefit your garden's ecosystem. Insect hotels can be both functional and beautiful, blending seamlessly with your garden's design while supporting its ecological balance. By incorporating these shelters, you create a vibrant, thriving environment that supports a diverse range of insect life. Maintaining a balanced ecosystem in your garden is key to its success. A garden is not just a collection of plants. It's a living, breathing community. Each plant, insect, and microorganism plays a vital role in this intricate web of life. A thriving garden is all about balance. It's about creating an environment where every element supports the others. This balance ensures that your garden remains healthy and vibrant throughout the seasons. While attracting beneficial insects is essential, remember that some insects are considered pests. Beneficial insects like ladybugs and bees help pollinate plants and control pest populations. However, pests like aphids and caterpillars can cause damage if left unchecked. However, even pest insects play a role in the ecosystem. They serve as food for other creatures and contribute to the natural cycle of life. For instance, aphids might be a nuisance, but they provide a food source for ladybugs and birds. Their presence often attracts beneficial predators that help keep their numbers in check. Ladybugs, birds, and even certain types of wasps can help control pest populations naturally, reducing the need for chemical interventions. By promoting a diverse range of plants and insects in your garden, you encourage a natural balance. Diversity in plant species can attract a variety of insects, each playing a unique role in the ecosystem. This diversity helps create a resilient garden that can withstand various challenges. This means accepting a few nibbles here and there while enjoying the overall health and productivity of your garden. A few holes in the leaves are a small price to pay for a thriving, balanced ecosystem. Embrace the imperfections and focus on the bigger picture, a garden that is alive, dynamic, and self-sustaining. Troubleshooting. What if I still have pests? Even with the presence of beneficial insects, you might still encounter some pest issues. Don't panic. Start by identifying the pest correctly. Then, research natural and organic pest control methods specific to that pest. Often, a simple solution like spraying the affected plants with a soapy water solution can deter many common garden pests. Remember, patience is key, and there's usually a natural solution to any pest problem. Patience and observation, the gardener's best tools. Attracting beneficial insects and creating a balanced garden ecosystem takes time and patience. Don't expect instant results. Instead, enjoy the process. Observe the changes in your garden and make adjustments as needed. Keep a garden journal to track your observations. Note which plants attract the most beneficial insects and observe any changes in pest populations. This hands-on approach will help you better understand your garden's unique ecosystem and make informed decisions. Enjoy the buzz reaping the rewards. Once you've created a welcoming environment for beneficial insects, sit back and enjoy the rewards. Your garden will be abuzz with life, your plants will thrive, and you'll have the satisfaction of knowing you're playing a part in supporting a healthy ecosystem. Remember, Gardening is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the learning process, experiment with different plants and techniques, and most importantly, have fun creating a vibrant and buzzing haven in your backyard.